Just look at how much money I have made recently with this one. It's really crazy, guys, and what's most important is that it doesn't require anything from our side. We can earn money just by watching some videos just like this one, for example. Just make sure to watch how exactly this method works so you don't lose your time, guys. It's simple, it's easy, and it works. So if you want to make some money, follow me along the video and please like the video as well because it really helps. Now let's get started. So first of all, guys, what we have to do is we need to connect to Skillshare.com, and this is a website where you can find certain videos, certain tutorials for anything that you need, guys. So if you want to learn something, for example, about graphics and design, you can come on this webpage and search for some teachers over here which made some videos for you, and as you can see, you can get it for the App Store and on Google Play as well. So it doesn't matter which device you are using, you are still able to use this website. So all in all, guys, this is like a skill sharing website where certain people come and make some videos for you, and you can come here and you can pay to see those videos and you can learn something in the process. App on the App Store has nice rating. It has 4.8 out of 5. That's really good. On Google Play, it has almost 50,000 ratings and they have 4.5, and that's really nice. This only shows us that this website is really good and it's legit as it comes. But now, guys, we're not gonna go and buy any videos here. We're gonna sell our own videos, and I'll show you how you can make them very easily with the help of one tool. But first of all, we need to come here and you can continue with Facebook, you can continue with Google or Apple account. So whatever you need, just make yourself an account over here first. And as you can see, guys, here there are a lot of categories. So for example, if you want to involve yourself in some leadership and management, you can do that as well. If you want some illustration, music, whatever you want, there is something for everyone on this website. And what I suggest is that you click on graphics and design here, because here there are a lot of people who are posting this and it is very profitable. And what we need to do now, guys, is we need to scroll down and click here on this button, become a teacher. We're gonna become teachers on this website, and as you can see, you can get yourself like $100,000 per year, guys. Now that's crazy money. $100,000 for you every year. It's a very nice income, guys. Very, very nice income. And if all of these people are doing it, you can do it as well. Like, I mean, why not? I will show you exactly how to get this and how to set it up properly so you can get yourself some money on a monthly basis. It's nice steady income, guys. It's one more pay in your pocket. As you can see, you'll be paid monthly for every member who watches your classes forever, guys. So you only have to make this once and it's gonna stay here forever, and that's passive income for you all the way, guys. Now all we have to do is click here on start a class. Once more, sign up with your accounts, whichever one you want to use. And now, guys, I told you that you use graphics and design, so here pick your class category. You will choose graphics and design, and in here you can just select this one, creative, and then what are your primary goals for teaching this class. You can select earn money and build my brand and following. Click on continue here, and here you can see that you have to now upload certain videos on this here because your class needs videos. Some reminders here, some requirements are here, but that's what we're all gonna cover in the next section of this video. And you can see that it has to be average 20 to 60 minutes divided into short video lessons of 2 to 5 minutes. And that's very easy to make, guys. I will now show you the website which you can use for yourself, and it's totally free and it will make for you videos automatically. And I just want to quickly show you Skillshare on similar web, guys. You can see that people are coming here in huge numbers, guys. 8 million people come here on this website every month, and that's crazy, guys. 20% of those are from United States, and that's good. And this really speaks for itself, guys. 8 million people on this website every month, so that's your traffic, that's your money. And here is the website which is gonna make you money, guys. This is gonna make videos for you for completely free, guys. This is Render Forest, and it's gonna make videos for you, guys. A lot of great videos are here. All of them are free, and we can use them to make money for ourselves. Now, of course, it is really easy to use. You have this explainer video of theirs, which is very sweet, something like a cartoon, and you can make video like this one as well if you decide to watch this video and involve yourself into this action on Skillshare. And I suggest you do it, guys, because it's very profitable. All you will have to do is you have to click here on Get Started button, and then they will ask you what do you want to create. Just click on video over here, and now you will have these video templates for you. So you have a lot of these. Choose what you want, choose what do you want to achieve with your videos and what do you want to make, but I recommend that you take these ones, Whiteboard Animation Toolkit, because whiteboard videos are very popular nowadays. Everyone is using them, and they're pretty nice to watch as well. And as you can see, 4.5 out of 5 for this template. It is very good. Exports are 2 million, and that's really good, guys. They will explain everything to you. You have a full tutorial over here on how to do these whiteboard videos. You can do whatever you want, and guys, it is very creative. You can just let your imagination work, and all this software is gonna do all for you guys. That's really easy. As you can see, there are a lot of these tutorials, a lot of videos on how to make one, and you will enjoy as well in the process. And as you can see here, you can edit whatever you like, guys. You can edit your style, you can edit colors, you can do whatever you want. As you can see, there is cut paper and there is this board drawn, and I suggest this bar drawn is very better than that. You can choose colors, you can do whatever you want, you can change this one, you can add even some music to your videos, so it will be better in the end. Also, you have all these done for you templates here, so just look at how many these are. Just make sure you choose what is important to you and what is interesting to you. So for example, look at this one. This one is very sweet. You also have a tutorial here, and you can look on how it will look in the end. You can use these videos so you can see what do you get with these people. As you can see, a really nice software, really good looking, and it's going to be very interesting to do as well. And when you are finished with that, guys, you can just go back to Skillshare and upload those videos to this website and start earning yourself some money, guys. It is really easy. I highly suggest that you do it because it is really profitable. And here you can see that there are a lot of people who are doing the same thing, so why you shouldn't do the same thing as this guy, for example, is doing. He has 8,000 students, as you can see, so that's a lot of money, guys. A lot of money for him just for making this video, just like you are gonna do. As you can see, this one has 180 students. This one also has almost 200 students here as well. But this guy really made it, guys. 8,000 students for him. Now that's a lot of money, and as you can see, there are a lot of these categories over here, so you can choose whatever you want. And guys, Render Forest is gonna help you all the way. It's totally free, totally easy to use. You have all those templates, all those videos are already done for you. You can just go and search for something, and you can download it and you can re-upload it on Skillshare and start earning yourself some money, guys. It's very easy, very fun process as well. I suggest that you use them, go take some action, and I'll catch you guys later.